Hello, welcome to Excel Highway. In today's video, I want to share with you NutriSync, your nutrition companion. So this is an app I created that can help you track your daily progress and view how you match compared to your goal. Interested to take a look? Let's dive in. So first off, you have the dashboard. It's going to show you today's information. On top, for the essential nutrition values, it's going to show you today's calories versus the goal, your proteins for today. Everything is tracked versus the goals, which you'll see here in my goals. On the bottom, you can see your calorie trend. You can do it even up to 30-day out, and you can see in red where you're above the goal. And you also have the other nutritions that you selected. Straight off, I'm going to show you here in my settings. You can switch between metric and imperial. You can clear everything, and you can also add more nutritional values. So now you see we have 8, also here with their own goals, and also here. So that's how you can add those settings and back to normal. In the daily log, you're going to see basically what you logged in for today. Okay, you can change the dates, you can select a date, very user friendly. You have today, and what's also nice, you can click on copy yesterday. Let's say you have the same food intake, so that's just going to give you that pop-up message, and then clicking on yes will copy the information. Okay, so now it's exactly the same. Okay, and I can of course delete items, and I can add foods. It's separated between breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Let's say I have another snack, and this search food is checking two databases. NutriSync database, it's a personal, well, not personal, it's a database I've synced here, but there's also Open Food Facts. That's an online website that has millions and millions of dishes, so you can just select that, and once you select a food, it will ask you for the quantities, and you can see what the implications. And if you click add log, obviously it adds here, adds to your daily, and changes everything. The recipe analyzer is where you can identify, let's say, let's say I want to have a recipe called meal A, and it will be apple and black beans. I don't know, even if it doesn't make sense. You can see basically it's going to tell you exactly what that nutritional breakdown of that meal would be, and if you save it, then you can just use that meal A. That's going to appear in your My Foods, okay, which is also something you can add here. You can just add a custom food like homemade granola with all the information and save it. And again, this will appear immediately over here. So that's my food, and I can delete it in this manner. So we talked about that. My goals, this is where you define your own goals. What's your age, gender, weight, and height, and it will update. So I will put my information. Okay. And it's going to adjust, and I can save the goals, and immediately that impacts. Now that is not red anymore. So great. Those are my goals. You can change, of course. And settings we discussed. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you will use NutriSync to track your daily progress and live a better and healthier life. Have a great day.